What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to transform and upgrade this picture to this picture. Let's go. So the first step is to go in your web browser and type CUTOUT.PRO, and now we need to upload your image from your computer. Mine is this one. Like you can see, it's like in 720p. So I'm just gonna upload my image right there, put it there. And like you can see, they already upgrade your image. Now it looks way better than earlier. So I'm going to click on free download and let's compare the image. That's the after, and that's the picture before. Like you can see, there's large differences. Here the image is like very poor, and like you can see here, it's way better, you know. But it's not done yet. So the next step is gonna be, if you want, go to Canva, and Canva, yeah, click on create and modify the picture. So now I'm gonna use this one. So here is just if you want to add your little touch on it. If you want to edit some more, you can really choose what you want. If you want the pictures to be more bright, you can adjust like this, you know. You can really modify like you want. So if you like this video, push a thumbs up, and we will catch each others in another video. Peace.